The quadratic formula. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What is a quadratic formula? What is it used for? 2. What is the discriminant? What does it tell about a quadratic equation? 3. What are some applications of quadratic equations in practice? 4. What are Vieta's formulas? Why do we use them? 5. How do Vieta's formulas help us find the original coefficients of a quadratic equation? Introduction. In the previous tutorial, we dealt extensively with quadratic equations. What methods did you learn in that tutorial? Can you solve all quadratic equations using the methods explained in it? Try to solve this quadratic equation. We have the following as shown on screen. Can you solve it? Why? Some quadratic equations are very challenging to solve by using the factorization methods or by completing the square. Moreover, some other quadratic equations may have decimal or even real roots, so it is very difficult to find a suitable factorization for them. Other quadratic equations, such as the one shown previously, may not have any real root at all. One may try unsuccessfully from morning to evening to solve such equations by factorization or by completing the square, without even realizing that such an equation has no solution. Therefore, it becomes necessary to use a more comprehensive and inclusive method for solving quadratic equations, or at least to become aware of quadratic equations that have no solutions. This method consists of the use of the quadratic formula, which we are going to explain in this tutorial. That is all for introduction to the quadratic formula. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 9.6.1, Quadratic Formula Definition. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.